What if you had $3,500? Would you spend it on Apple's futuristic Vision Pro or buy a PlayStation 5 and still have thousands left in your pocket? Today, we're putting these two giants head to head to see which one gives you the better experience for your money. Apple Vision Pro and PlayStation 5 are two of the most talked about tech products of the decade. One promises to take you into a new world of mixed reality, while the other gives you the ultimate gaming experience at home. But here's the real question: do they even compete, and which one should you choose? Let's break it down. Let's start with the most obvious difference: the price. A standard PlayStation 5 costs around $500, while the Apple Vision Pro starts at $3,500. That's a difference of $3,000. For the price of one Vision Pro, you could buy a PS5, a 4K television, a gaming chair, and still have cash left over for games and snacks. So, is Vision Pro giving you something so revolutionary that it justifies this cost? Or is PS5 still the smarter buy? Let's find out. The PS5 is clear about what it does. It's a gaming powerhouse. It gives you 4K graphics up to 120 frames per second, ray tracing for realistic lighting, and exclusive titles like Spider-Man 2, God of War, Ragnarok, and Gran Turismo 7. Vision Pro, on the other hand, isn't built for gaming. It's a mixed reality headset that Apple calls a spatial computer. It's designed for immersive work, virtual meetings, watching movies, and exploring AR apps. Yes, you can play games on it, but you won't find big PS5 titles here. Instead, think Apple Arcade, basic VR experiences, and some experimental apps. So, if gaming is your main goal, the PS5 is an easy win. But hold on, Vision Pro brings something completely different to the table. Here's where things get interesting. The PS5 needs a television or monitor, and sure, it looks amazing, but the Vision Pro, it straps two micro OLED displays right in front of your eyes, each with insane resolution, around 23 million pixels combined. It's like sitting in front of a massive cinema screen, except it follows you everywhere. Watching movies on Vision Pro feels like you have your own personal IMAX theater. The PS5 can't compete with that level of immersion, but there's a catch: the comfort factor. The PS5 sits quietly under your television. You grab the DualSense controller, sit on your couch, and you're ready to go. Easy. Vision Pro? You're wearing a headset that weighs about 600 grams, plus an external battery pack hanging from a cable. After a couple of hours, you'll start feeling the strain. And let's be honest, most people don't want to wear a headset for long gaming sessions or movie marathons. So, for quick immersive experiences, Vision Pro is magical. For long hours of entertainment, the PS5 wins on comfort. The PS5's DualSense controller is a game changer. Adaptive triggers, haptic feedback, and motion sensors make you feel the tension of a bowstring or the vibration of a car engine. It's the reason gamers love the PS5 experience. And Vision Pro? No controllers. It uses your eyes, hands, and voice for navigation. Cool for browsing, selecting apps, or typing in the air. But for fast-paced gaming, it's just not there yet. So, in terms of control, PS5 dominates. The PS5 is built for gamers. It has blockbuster exclusives, big multiplayer titles, and a growing VR library with PlayStation VR 2. Vision Pro? Mostly Apple Arcade games, a few VR experiences, and productivity apps. If gaming is your priority, this isn't even a contest the PS5 crushes Vision Pro. But Vision Pro has its strengths. It's not just about gaming, it's about living in a digital workspace, managing 3D apps, and watching spatial videos that make you feel like you're inside the moment. Now, let's talk movies. Both devices can stream Netflix, Disney+, and Apple Television. The PS5 relies on your television, so the quality depends on your screen. Vision Pro creates a giant virtual screen wherever you are, with spatial audio that makes it feel like sound is coming from the real environment. If movie nights are your thing, Vision Pro is next level if you can handle the headset, weight, and price. This brings us back to cost. For $3,499, you could build a dream gaming setup or buy a PS5, a 4K television, and still have thousands left for games, accessories, and snacks. Vision Pro is for people who want to be early adopters of futuristic tech and don't mind paying for it. For most people, the PS5 is the better value. If you're a gamer and love big titles, PS5 is the obvious choice. It's cheaper, comfortable, and built for gaming. If you're into tech experiments, love Apple's ecosystem, and want to experience the future of AR and VR, then Vision Pro is for you. Just remember, it's not replacing your console anytime soon. Which one would you pick if you had $3,500, the Vision Pro, or a PS5 setup with all the extras? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you love tech comparisons like this, hit that subscribe button and smash the like button for more videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the future isn't about replacing the past, it's about giving us more ways to play. See you in the next video.